if it couldn't get any better, I just remembered that I ordered 3 mystery packages, but they are all different. So I ordered this one, which had different stuff like tingles, dimples, and puppets. Oh, and also the mini puppet. It's just a fidget bin right here. And my second one finally came, even though I'm uploading this video right now. I just wanted to make these videos right now, since I am getting my other one also today. They sent me all of them today, which is actually pretty surprising. And I didn't want to make too long of a video, so I'm not going to be doing opening 2 of them up at the exact same exact same time. So yeah, and also if you're on in my next video, basically my last video on opening up all of these sweet, awesome fidgets. The fidget package that I think I might be getting is either going to be poppets and squishes, or poppets and snappers, or stress balls and dimples. I hope it's stress balls and dimples, because I love stress balls. I don't have that many, and I love dimples, and I don't have that many. Well, I have a bunch now, but I need more. Because this is how many dimples I have. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dimples, and I need more. Oh, wait, I have 1. Oh, yeah, that's in there. So, yeah, let's go see it. Oh, the doorbell. The ding door. The doorbell. Let's check. Okay, it's here. Guys, okay. And I think it says stress balls and dimples. I'm so excited. I'm gonna move all the new fidgets aside and let's cut open it. So it says stress balls and dimples, and it's basically the same as the last one, just stress balls and dimples that has a theme. Oh, there's just a tab here. Let me just. Oh, this tab's so hard. Okay, let's take it out. Guys, oh my gosh, so this time they gave us 3 prizes. Let's start off with the smallest or the biggest. Since last time we started off with the unopened ones, and then we went from the smallest to then the medium. Let's start off with the biggest first. Let me open this. My scissors. Let's see what's inside. Remember, okay. I feel like there's something else in here. Oh my gosh, there's a duo. There's a strawberry stress ball and a grape stress ball. These are so good, and they're always, they feel so nice. Oh, but these are my fidget bins. No, actually, I'm going to keep them out so then I can show you them at the end. Now let's go to the, wow, that's hard. Now let's go to the medium. Now let's open this one. I won't open it carefully though. Okay, so let's see. Here's a sneak peek. Okay, and oh my gosh, I got dimples. I'm so glad I got dimples, because this kind of feels squishy. So I only got commons, which that is okay, but I still wish I either got a rare or an uncommon, like something different instead of commons. But I got this really nice fidget spinner dimple. Now I have 3. And then I have this alien dimple. They look actually pretty nice together. Because now I have 3 fidget spinner dimples. The one that I got in this pack, the one that I got from my friend, and the one that I got in this pack. So, yeah. Now, that is awesome. We are on to our very last one. Snip, snip. FYI, if you hear any background noises, it is just my sister. She's watching some YouTube. And okay, let's open. Okay, that was very bad. And here's the sneak peek. Actually, I already knew what it was. It was just stressful because it was really sticky. I mean, not sticky, because it was really like you could be like this. Packaging stuff. Yeah, this is really nice. Everybody really like this. And it's broken. Like, that's good. Because usually when I buy these at Dollar Tree, they're always broken. And I get so mad. So this is amazing. So I rate this whole package I'd say an 8 out of 10. We didn't get as much as the last one. Oh, and also some of you were asking in the comments, you didn't rate the last one. What do you rate it? And I also rated that one a 10 because it was so amazing. It came with 2 simple dimples, a fidget spinner dimple, a pop-it, mini pop-it, and a tangle, which is pretty cool. This one just doesn't have as much. Everything was in a package. So yeah. There's this mini stress ball, these 2 dimples, and this is also a stress ball and dimple pack, and these 2 stress balls, which is actually pretty cool. So yeah, that is everything that we got this time. Now I'm going to be making another video probably today on this particular one. So, and I will be linking that other video about those fidgets here or here, down here or up here. So, yeah.